What if Tesla's next earnings in October 2025 becomes the turning point for its stock? Could a new AI chip, a surprise model reveal, or bold guidance send the price soaring or crash it? And how should investors position themselves now, ahead of the big announcements? Stay tuned. In this video, we'll walk you through Tesla's upcoming catalysts, its next earnings date, AI chip ambitions, new model roadmap, and our price forecast for late 2025. Wherever you are in the world, welcome to StockScope AI. If you want deeper insights on tech stocks like Tesla and the AI revolution, hit subscribe and let's get started. Tesla's stock has had a volatile ride from electric vehicle hype, regulatory pressures, to AI bets. Analysts are split. Some see runaway growth. Others warn oversaturation and execution risk. Before we forecast, context matters. Global EV demand, battery costs, macroeconomics, and competition like Rivian, Lucid, and traditional automakers all factor in. Tesla's balance sheet, cash reserves, and gross margins will guide how much wiggle room it has to innovate. Tesla's next earnings in October 2025 will be critical. Watch out for vehicle deliveries and margins, energy and solar segment performance, and guidance on growth, supply constraints, and investment in AI and robotics. If Tesla issues aggressive forward guidance, it could trigger a rally. Conservative guidance may spook the market. Also, watch for clues in conference calls, AI chip development, new models, factory plans, and partnerships. So, Musk has hinted that Tesla is working on its own AI chips, intended for autonomous driving, robo-taxis, and internal compute stacks. If Tesla can deliver chips that reduce reliance on third parties, it could cut costs and improve control over performance. But, chip development is risky. There are yield issues, thermal design challenges, and it requires a lot of capital. If Tesla teases a prototype or gives roadmap details during the earnings call, markets will react strongly. So, there are rumors floating around that Tesla might reveal a brand new model in 2025 or 2026, maybe something like a more affordable mass-market EV, or even a revamped Cybertruck. A surprise reveal or even just a teaser could really reignite investor optimism. And, we should also think about possible enhancements to existing models. Things like battery upgrades, more advanced autonomous features, or those over-the-air software improvements Tesla is known for. Honestly, Tesla's product cadence tends to drive a lot of excitement, and if they can connect a chip upgrade with a new model launch, that's a seriously powerful narrative. Based on growth, AI chip milestones, and the potential for new model announcements, here's a rough forecast window for Tesla stock in the fourth quarter of 2025. In a bull case, we could see gains of 40 to 70% from today's levels. The base case looks more like 10 to 30% up, while the bear case could mean drops of 20 to 30% if those major catalysts disappoint. The key risks? Well, there's always the chance of execution failure on the chip or model side, supply chain or raw material cost shocks, and of course, regulatory or policy headwinds, think EV subsidies or emissions rules. Plus, there's competition from legacy automakers and AI-focused chip firms. For investors, it's smart to watch the first 30 minutes after earnings for volume and guidance reactions. If you're considering a position, it's wise to enter with partial positions ahead of earnings, keeping some capital ready to add or hedge. You can use options, calls, or puts to play for upside while keeping your risk defined. Also, keep an eye on related stocks like battery suppliers, semiconductor partners, and AI chip makers, because Tesla's moves tend to ripple across those sectors. If Tesla can show credible progress on their AI chip and set a clear new product direction, the long-term story becomes a lot stronger than any short-term volatility. In October 2025, Tesla faces its reckoning earnings, chips, new models. Any one of these could totally redefine the stock. Will the stock surge, or will it stall? Only time will tell. But if you've stuck with me through this video, you're already ahead. If you found this useful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and share your forecast in the comments. See you in the next deep dive.